This product needs to be connected to a power source and use the Tuya app. Turn on the phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Click Add Device. Long press the network pairing key for 5 seconds, and then the indicator light will flash. When selecting a network, choose the True 4G Wi-Fi instead of the 5G Wi-Fi. You can choose 2 different devices. Here you can select the device that needs to be added. Click Quick Match. Search for the brands of air conditioners to be added. Start trying to control the air conditioner. If you can control the air conditioner, elect Can Control. If you cannot, select another one. Finish adding the device. After adding is completed, start trying to control the air conditioner with the app. The temperature status of the air conditioner is now in sync with that of the mobile phone. This indicates that the air conditioner can be controlled by the mobile phone. First of all, the remote control can operate the alarm.
Remote control alarm. On.
If the required product is not in the list, click DIY. Add the frequency of the remote control. Add buttons using the remote control.